Show everybody your bone. Oh, good boy. You gonna share your bone? So mostly today I've been sitting right here in my couch bed, still short of breath, but I'm doing better. And I've been working on my presentation for RTR. And I want it to be encouraging. I want it to have stuff that's not in my book so that people that have read my book won't be bored. And it's proving to be challenging. But I've been working on that, and now I'm going to go sit outside for a while. And Frugal RV Gal is making us something. I honestly can't remember what she said, but you know it's going to be good because it's from Frugal. We put the fly on the tent upside down, so it's flapping. We're going to have to fix that. I moved the chairs over here behind Jana's rig to get out of the wind, and it is determined, even though he just swallowed that bully stick, he's determined to play with sticks, and I can't let him because he will get sick. Jimmy, you getting in your chair? Good girl. Ready? Mm-hmm. Ooh, 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 ooh. And what's this called?
Taco Bell Enchirito.
Enchirito. Oh my goodness.
And they don't typically put sour cream on it, but if you want sour cream, we have sour cream.
Nice.
I have some avocado too, if you want avocado.
Thank you. Yum, yum, yum. Anna says this does not taste like Taco Bell's Enchirito to her. Since I've never had a Taco Bell's Enchirito, I wouldn't know, but this is really, really, really good.